on the road again. We sure say that a lot. We're on the road again like normal. We're headed out to Sand Hollow in the old Cherokee, if it'll make it that far. I've always told people when you're driving a Jeep, if you'll lower your expectations, you won't be disappointed. So we're going to get out there and got a side-by-side that's stuck up on the sand dunes. We're going to gather them folks up, run them back up there and let them show us where they're at. We'll get them pulled out and hopefully get them back on the road again. So we'll get up the road and take you along for the ride. It's always busy out here to Sand Hollow. We go from one to the other, have a pretty good time while we're doing it. So never a complaint. We've got a couple pulled out there. Got a Camaro stuck, looks like, too. So probably go give him a tug and we'll go from there. See where we end up. Alright, well, as you can see, it's always busy out here to Sand Hollow. We go from one to the other and have a pretty good time while we're doing it. So never a complaint. We've got a couple pulled out there. Got a Camaro stuck, looks like, too. So probably go give him a tug and we'll go from there. Make sure these guys get out, and then we got a couple more to go get, and then I just got a call from the sheriff's department. Got one that's giving them a hard time stuck on a rock, so we're gonna go get those guys gathered up as well. There you go. All right, coming. Might be better. It's soft today. Yeah, it's soft today.
Yeah, I wish I would have called you out here earlier.
Well, you should have called.
No, we've been out here milling around. I have nobody else to mill with.
Oh, really? I'll give you a card. I have. You want to go down there? What was there? I guess there's 4 or 5 of them pulled out, so you can see why I do about 300, 350 recoveries a year. Most of them are pretty simple, easy recoveries that are no big deal. I don't even film 99% of them, but we have a lot of fun doing them either way, and just make sure everybody gets back on the road again. So we're going to head over towards Tokerville Falls and get the county deputy pulled out, and we'll get the old Cherokee wound up and take you along for the ride. Well, we got that one out. We had to winch that rock out from underneath that and get it moved around a little bit, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. Gonna try to work our way back out of here nice and easy, and just had to pull that big old rock up on the bank there and let her sit. So we'll get out of here and get down the road, and thanks for coming along for the ride.